So this is exactly how to connect your JBL Bluetooth speaker to your TV. So the first thing we need to do is that on our TV, just go into settings here and then scroll down and click on remotes and accessories. It might be named something else for you, to be honest, but just the Bluetooth section here, that's what you need to find on settings on your TV. Then click on pair accessory. Now on our JBL speakers, I'm just gonna put it into pairing mode by clicking firstly on the power button here until it turns on. You can see now when it has turned on, we need to find the Bluetooth symbol here and click and hold. So this one you will need to probably hold for a while, just so you know, until it's gonna be put into pairing mode. So now when it's in pairing mode here, as you can see, I'm just gonna click on OK. And then here it is, the JBL Flip 6. I'm just gonna click on it and click on pair. And it's now going to be connected to my TV here, as you can see. If I scroll down, yep, here it is, as you can see, the JBL Flip 6, that's the one that I have. So basically, that is exactly how to actually do this.